Let's go ahead and open up our Halo Lights app. We are going to learn how to set a smart schedule. So you can do a normal schedule and just pick a time, but if you want a smart schedule to be able to go with the sunset and sunrise, this is going to be your video. Go ahead down to the bottom, you have different selections. Let's go ahead and select smart. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hit create smart. All right, now from here, we're going to look for sunrise and sunset. We're gonna select that. And we're just gonna collect sunset because more than likely we don't want the lights coming on during the day. Okay, from here, sunset, when do we want it to come on? You can set it, 30 minutes before, 45 minutes after, depending what you wanna do. We'll put ours right at sunset. And then typically you do want it to end. So I'm gonna pick the end time of 10:30 at night. Okay, and I'm gonna hit done. You can choose the days you want. If you don't want it to repeat, you just want it to do once, which doesn't make sense. But you want it to repeat, you can deselect the days or leave them all on, okay? And then we will hit next. So now from here, we need to find a device. So we're gonna hit my devices. And then you can either have the smart lights come on by like a group, a room, because we do have smart bulbs and all sorts of stuff that you can group these together. Or you can just find your device. And so there's our device. We're just doing our one device and we're gonna hit next. From here, you're gonna hit the plus sign and we're gonna scroll over. You have these three options at the top. We're gonna scroll over to scene, okay? Now you have to remember what the scene is that you want. If you haven't created one, there could be some in your DIYs, but you do got to remember the name. So you have your different categories over here. If I'm just going to have an accent lighting pattern come on every single night. So for me, I've checked these out. I really like the silver and gold one, so I'm going to select that one. And then I'm going to hit confirm, okay? So shop lights, next, I'm going to enter it. I'm going to say nightly accent, done. Okay, so boom, there it is, it's set up. This is gonna come on every single day at sunset and it's gonna move with the times. If it's programmed into your phone knows, the sun, the time changes and everything. If you wanna disable it because maybe you're setting up a different pattern, you just gotta come in here and remember to shut it off. Otherwise it will conflict with your schedules. And just like almost everything in the app, if you want to edit it, you press and hold and it'll bring up you the opportunity to edit it. Now you can change the name. You can change when it comes on. You can just even delete it completely if you want to. But we're gonna go ahead and leave that there because I needed to set one up anyways for my shop. And that's how it's done.